just goody.
Earlier that day.
Morning guys, I am returning my car to get some servicing done. Also, I'm just gonna pick up the courtesy car for today. This is the courtesy car for today. Alright guys, as you all can see, we have some nice ambient lighting in there. Car needs a valet, but you know, that's just one of them. A tidy looking car all in all, nice looking screen. What I don't like is this cluster in the middle here. It should be a lot bigger, I don't know, maybe that's what I'm accustomed to, but here's what it is. You can see the ambient lighting in there. It's always better when you don't see the lights themselves, the bulbs. Nice little sunroof. The seats look like fake leather. I could be wrong about this. They don't feel very real, but maybe that's for the vegans, you know what I mean? I don't know. Steering is definitely leather. I mean, you can feel the difference. You're up here. This feels like leather. I don't know. Maybe I'm just imagining it. These are the pedals right here. A little bit funky. Hey, when you step on it, it goes fast. All right, when it stops, most importantly. What I don't like is this bar here. It reminds me of the Vauxhall Corsas, and this, not a big fan of that. All the plastic looks a little bit cheaper than the BMW plastics, but you know, that's just one of those. What I do like is this switch right here. It's like a fighter jet style switch that you press, and yeah, it does nice things. Music system. We have Harman music system. Very nice. Yeah, I do like that. And let's see what's under the bonnet. So here we have it, guys. Whoa, this is interesting. It is so cool. This is a 2022 Mini Cooper twin turbo or twin scroll turbo 2-liter engine. Really compact in the back here. This is the intake manifold here. That is the hot stuff there in the back. This engine's quite hot here already, but yeah, all looks pretty good. Great. There we go. Let's take this little bad girl for a spin. So we're gonna drive around in sport mode and let you have a little listen. Let's put my foot down. There we go.
state your request.
Round 2.
Like, subscribe, share. Let's all win. Just Goody. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. Hey, hey, I ain't Clarkson. I ain't this one. I ain't that one. No, you see.